Let's create this simple part in SolidWorks. So just we'll enter into new part here. Let's say okay. On the top plane, I am going for sketch here. As you can see, two circles we are having, one with a diameter of 25, one more with a diameter of 28. So let me draw some two circles here. Dimension for inner one we are having diameter of 25. For outer one we are having diameter of 28. Then next to that, as you can see here, how much height we are having this profile, same height we are having for this shape also. So at a time we can create this shape also. For that, I'll create one circle with radius of 3. Just one circle on this horizontal axis. Dimension for this we are having radius of 3. Let me give diameter of 6. So click on dimension. There, mouse right click, we can make it as display as radius. Then add relation between this point to this point, we need horizontal relation. Let's say okay. Then origin to this center we are having length of 32. This origin point to this point horizontally we are having here length of 32. Then one line we are having with height of 4 mm. So just we will create one line exactly from this point to this point. It should be a vertical line. We'll go for trim and we'll trim this extra element. Dimension for this line we are having here length of 4, like this. Then next to that, radius we need only here 3. Let me change that. Along with that, one more circle we are having with a diameter of 3. So at a time we can create one more circle here with diameter of 3, like this. Then exit sketch, make it here isometric by using Ctrl+7 as shortcut key. We need to make this extrude boss by using mid plane. Total height we are having here 5. Let's give this height of 5. Let's say okay, like this. Then next to that, with a diameter of 3 circle, we need to add material from this end to this circle shape. As you can see here, if you want to create one sketch on this curved surface, we are not able to create new sketch. Whenever we are having only flat faces, there only we can create new sketch. So here I'll go for sketch on this flat face, make it normal. Now exactly at origin point, we are having one circle with a diameter of 3. As you can see here, with a diameter of 3, material should be added up to next. Then exit sketch, isometric, we will make here extruded boss. You can keep it here up to next. It means up to next element only material will be added here. Let's say okay, like this. That's it. So in this way we can create this simple part. Let me give this color. Now just I will go here with this appearance. For this part we are having here blue. Let me give the same color blue. Let's say okay. Then inside we are having here different color. So if you want to change different color, just select the faces for which you want to apply. Directly we can go for appearance. Here go with appearance. Only for face you can select whatever the color we want, like this. Let's say okay. Like this we can create same part. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.